Hello, cartoon collectors. I got a random subject here. It's a TV truck from Japanese TV Asahi. I wonder if this has anything to do with the Asahi beverage company, like the beer company, or it's a totally different thing. I don't know. It does say here it's from 2004, this model. On the back, yeah, maybe 04 December. I don't know, the 8th day of December in 2004. Got a TV Asahi sticker right there. Seems to be used, because there's no tape or anything like that. I have no idea what this thing is. Does that thing say Canter? This is the only photograph I could find with a yellow TV Asahi bus. But this actually does look like it. Let me get the camera a little closer here. You'll see the headlights here, they're flat and rectangular, so it literally has the graphic and the doors in the same spot. So I'm pretty sure, ChoroQ must have gotten a bunch of photos of this thing, and that's what they put the graphics on this thing. Alright, so let's take a look here at the model itself. It's got your standard ChoroQ 5 spokes, these chrome ones. And it looks like the whole box is, just a flat box back here, and then they printed the graphic on. It's not like molded details. I'm gonna guess they have other, TV trucks from the different TV stations printed on here. Even the door handle here is just flat and molded on. But the side glass actually has a black molding here painted on, so that's pretty neat. This front bumper is black, and it's got silver and orange for the lights, to this grille texture. And it says 10-5. I can't make it out on that license plate, but it's nice to see something on a license plate. Silver fog lights. The windshield is very clear. So usually ChoroQs are smoked, but this is very clear. It's kind of strange, actually, because there's no seats, It'd be nicer if it was actually darker so you don't see the imperfections of the casting. This thing's got ribbing up here. Maybe it's like an air conditioning unit. It's actually different from this side. So it looks like this top piece is a whole different piece, and so maybe they have different ones for different trucks or something. It still has a coin holder if you want to do a wheelie with this thing. We saw in the package at 04, and it does say here, so if you ever buy this online without the packaging, you'll know how old it is. Screwed front, tapped tapped back. Okay, what else? It looks like this might be a separate piece. There's like a brake here, so I wonder if, they swap this back with different fronts for different trucks. The satellite does come up. And the white's not quite the same color, though. Oh, this is cool. It does rotate. So, yeah, I guess that's kind of like, oh, alright, it goes all the way back, but that's not realistic. Usually satellites are like that, right? It's reflecting into the dish, and then it bounces frequencies off that dish, I think. So, a bunch of other greeblies or whatever, details, knickknacks and stuff. I don't know. Vents. No idea. No idea. Satellite dome or radar. I don't know. No idea. Okay. So, most of the printing is on the body itself and not up on this top section. I do like that the crosses across the windshield. TV Asahi. So, it's kind of like basic, but still has details. It's basic in the fact that the molding is all flat. It's just a flat box. But all the graphics are helping to bring that detail back on the vertical panels. But then the top thing, this does have a lot of molded details. I just wish it had some more colors, but I'm gonna guess this thing was a really cheap toy when it was brand new. So, okay. Let's compare it to a couple other ChoroQs. I can't even bring out a 1/64 scale. I don't have any trucks. They're just too big. So they wouldn't even fit on this rotating thing. So we're just gonna pull out some other cartoon service vehicles. Escaping the monitor again. So here's a fire truck. I have a few of these ChoroQ fire trucks. So we're gonna recreate like a news scene, I guess. A fire truck would show up. Although actually maybe this wouldn't belong. This is a tiny Q, and it's something about a media truck, like a tourism truck. Maybe people walk in the back of it and watch a movie or something. So I just wanted to pull it out because this Tiny Q is a pretty big truck, at least that one from those guys. Let's see, we have a CTU 24 TV show counter-terrorist SUV from that same series, an ambulance, and a police car. So I guess if we remove this is a crime scene waiting to happen. Maybe this is a scene from the TV show 24, if it took place in Japan. Alright. So, the service vehicles do tend to vary a little bit in the height and the length. But they're all generally the same ballpark, I would say. Except for that Tiny Q, but that's a different brand. These are all ChoroQs. So they're all made by Tomitech. Or Takara, same company. Alright, let's get these guys out of here. And let's get one of these minions up here. Hey, I'm on the news. Alright, always learning about some weird funky vehicles that come in these super deformed variations. And as usual, if they're super deformed, they're generally smaller, you know, compared to a true 64 scale. So I'll never get true 64 scale giant vehicles. Or it's not my intention to ever do that. Alright, thanks for watching today, and I'll see you in the next ChoroQ review. Thanks.